Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple blog pages on Wix. If you're looking to expand your blog content and create a more robust presence for your website, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to get it done efficiently. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This takes you to the main area where you can manage all aspects of your site. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. It's important to make sure that this is the website you wish to add multiple blog pages to, especially if you manage more than one site under your account. Take a moment to confirm you're working on the correct project before moving forward. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This action will redirect you to the Wix website editor screen, where you'll have full access to customize and manage your pages. Now that you're in the Wix website editor, locate the Page drop-down menu. This menu allows you to navigate between different pages on your site. From the drop-down, head to your blog page. Selecting your blog page is crucial because this is where all your blog content is managed and where you'll be adding your new posts. Once you're on your blog page, you'll see a Manage Posts option. Click on it to open the blog dashboard. This dashboard is your control center for all blog-related activities, from creating new posts to editing existing ones. It gives you a clear overview of your blog's content and organization. Once in your blog dashboard, simply click on the Create New Post button. This lets you add blog pages by populating them with your content, whether it's text, images, or videos. You can continuously add as many blog pages as you need by clicking on the Create New Post button again each time you want to start a new entry. Each post you create becomes a separate blog page on your site, allowing you to build out a comprehensive blog section. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple blog pages on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.